This is a follow-up video to show what I'm doing in order to run the app. The background of this video is that I have built a Buzztouch project, an app. I'm using Android 2.2 and Google API level 8. The previous video showed my setup, and this video is going to be showing what I'm getting running the application on the emulator. The previous video showed running the application on a device, HTC Android device. So I'm going to start my emulator now, virtual device now. Okay. Here, as the emulator starts, I will just close these other windows that I don't need and look at the lockout, and it is building nicely and looks like everything is good. Just to remind you that I've brought the project into my Eclipse. I have edited the string XML and inputted my debug and release key. I have also had a look at the map XML and pointed it to the release key. If I can get it, okay. Yeah, and there you go. And I have also had a look at the manifest file as I showed in the previous video, and I have been able to uncomment that part. Okay, all following the directions that I got from this muscular.com article. I've literally followed step by step all that is in here. Okay, we'll go back to our project. I'll close the XML files and get ready to run the project on the emulator. Okay, I'll close this as well. Right, and the string, I'll close it. And I will expand the lockout. Now, my AVD is running, and I'm going to run the project now on the AVD. Okay, and it is running well. It has been able to perform the necessary activities. It is installing now onto the emulator, and giving it a few more minutes. It shows that it has successfully started the intent, and I would assume that it's looking good and the activity started, and yeah, and it looks looking good. In the previous video I showed you that when I ran the app on my device, it crashed. Now on this video it's the same project. I have not changed anything. This is the button I was talking about. This button, which is the location button, the nickname that I gave it is Finders, but essentially it is a location screen. When I ran it in the previous, it would just crash. But with this, it is running. I'm able to get the grid and pinpoint there. I really don't know what is the matter, why I'm not able to get this grid on the device, but I'm able to get it on the emulator. This is the beginning point. So really, this is the dilemma I'm facing. I'm hoping that someone would help me out, point me in the right direction. Been on this for really a long time and haven't been able to get the answer yet. That's it for this video. I'm hoping I'll speak to you again soon. Let me, if I can close this.